Hello friends, I am Menkez Jain from skillontech.com. Today we will learn and understand about double stage, double acting, reciprocating air or gas compressors. So I will show you a demo of a Howden make reciprocating compressor. Howden is a world famed manufacturer of air compressors. They are making reciprocating compressors, centrifugal compressors, screw compressors. So we'll try to understand the internal components of a double stage double acting reciprocating compressor as well as how the components perform their function and how air or gas is sucked in the compressor through valves and finally discharged to a higher pressure. So let us see through a Howden C series gas compressor. This is a C series compressor of Messrs Howden. So let us see the moving parts and internal components of this compressor. The yellow portion shown is a crankcase. Here you can see this is crank case and this is crankshaft. Here oil pump is installed for lubrication of main bearings as well as big end bearing and small end bearing. That is a forced lubrication. Oil is stored in a crankcase chamber. At this end oil pump is installed and other end of this crankshaft a flywheel is installed which is rotated through a prime mover. The prime mover may be an electric motor or a diesel engine. Now you can see this is a crosshead. This component is a crosshead and this connecting rod and piston rod to each other. The oscillating motion of a connecting rod is transferred to a to and fro motion, reciprocating motion through this crosshead. You can see this is a yellow portion shown is a LP cylinder, low pressure cylinder. The air or gas is sucked in low pressure cylinder first, pressurized and discharged to second stage suction. You can see here a rotating crankshaft. This is a crankshaft. The yellow portion shown is a crankshaft. The two bearings are shown. These are two main bearings of this compressor. The crankshaft is supported on these bearings. The bearings are force lubricated. A general bearings are provided which are white metal lined. This two yellow portion are shown. This is a big end bearing. This connecting rod is connected with the crankshaft through big end bearing. This is a small end bearing. In crosshead guide, the connecting rod is connected with the crosshead with a small end bearing. This is an adjustable crosshead shoe. They can be replaced after wear and tear. This is a connecting rod. This is crosshead and this is piston rod. The yellow portion shown is a piston rod and this is one end is connected with the crosshead, other end is connected with a piston. Here it is a stiffing box. Gland packings are provided inside of it. And here oil wiper rings are provided to prevent leakage from crankcase to atmosphere. This is oil wiper packing. Tangential cut, radial cut, oil wiper packings are provided. This is a stuffing box. Inside of this, gland packings are provided to prevent leakage of pressurized air along piston rod to atmosphere. Now you can see inside of this there are gland packings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A set of gland packing consisting of 5 numbers gland packings are provided. These packings are of generally pure Teflon. So why pure Teflon is used? If so, they will not give any indentation or scratch on the piston rod. If we'll use hard material packing, then they can make indentation or scores over the piston rod, and that may be a path of leakage along the piston rod. So therefore, soft packings are provided. Sometimes the innermost and outermost packing is provided of Teflon, and internal 3 rings are provided of graphite, which is a very soft material. Now you can see this is a free floating piston. The yellow color is shown on the piston. This piston moves to and fro. The top side of this piston is called top dead center, and crank side is called bottom dead center. A clearance is provided on the top dead center and bottom dead center to provide space for compression of gases and expansion clearance. These two top side walls are provided. These two are suction walls, and these two discs which you are looking are unloader assembly, and these bottom side two walls are delivery walls. Now you can see how air is sucked on either side of the piston. You can see when piston moves this side, the suction will start, and when piston moves towards crank side, the suction will start from this wall. Air will enter, and then in the next stroke it will be compressed and delivered through the discharge valve. You can see here the air is coming inside of the cylinder through suction wall, and in the opposite stroke it will be get compressed and discharged. So you can see here it is getting discharged through a delivery valve. So the reciprocating double stage double acting reciprocating compressor work in this demo is shown for your knowledge. These compressors are generally horizontal axis and balanced opposed, because the moment produced by the moving pistons are opposed by each other. So this is all about this reciprocating compressor, and now you can see inside of this is a clearance space provided, so this piston will not touch to this end cover of the cylinder. This is all about the compressor. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button given below and share it with your friends and colleagues. Please give your valuable feedback in comment section for improvement and new videos. Thank you.